Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today is floss tube day. So it is my 145th floss tube. Say that 3 times. And it is October 11th. Yes, I had to look on my computer. October 11th, 2022. And it's 10 o'clock in the morning. I know, we're behind. I had to talk to my daughter. What can I say? Oh, well, it has been a week. Well, I have my November cup. My October cup. Yeah, I'm putting a piece of paper over it because the flies are driving me insane. So I just don't trust them at all. I mean, last floss tube, I think one kamikazed right into my coffee cup. It's been swell. So, what happened last week? Well, I had company through to Friday, and yeah, I didn't work on a whole lot last week. I had 3 starts, which is kind of bizarre for me, but yeah, I had 2 of them on cross-stitch reviews, for companies. So that was weird. I just decided that I wanted to start them, I guess. But I did, let's see, 5 reviews. And I also started putting up shorts, so expect more of those. I had some small footage of some of the places that we've gone, and I tried to put the stitching method. I will try to get that a little bit better. I'm working on that. I'm working it out in my brain on how to get closer so you can actually see what I'm doing. And I was using, I think, 11 count fabric, so we'll get it down. But I look for more shorts to put on YouTube, and we'll go from there. Now, there will also be a special video from One Day Saving tomorrow, so be sure you watch that. Very quick video. You'll see what I mean. So I'll just leave it there and let you do what y'all do. Thank you everybody for all of your comments and your suggestions and everything. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much. So from here, let's see, what did I work on? Well, I started the one I call New Orleans. It was from New Craft Day. I have to keep referring to my paper or I'll get it all messed up. And this is what it looks like. Isn't it pretty? I just love all the colors in that. Gorgeous. So I worked, I started it on a video and I worked some more on it, as you can see. But haven't accomplished too much. I've been focusing right in there on the windows and stuff. So, and it's very confetti, so yeah. I got tired of doing confetti, so I started putting in the 310 black where all that turquoise blue is. It's all black, so it's just gonna go right down to there. So we'll see. I got enough thread to stitch 2 full lengths of thread. And then I also, hang on, trying to get it to lay down flat. I started this one, and it's called Snow Street Scenery. And it's a Joy Sunday wannabe. That's what I call it. It's all poofed in there. Isn't that pretty? I like it. It's whimsical. And I found another one, probably by, Joy Sunday-ish, I guess. I don't know. But it's got the same kind of scenario, houses, snow, that kind of thing. So we'll see when I get that in, if it's anywhere close to or made by the same company. I'm not sure. So I worked on this, and it is 51 by 61. Smack Molly in the head there. So I got the roof done, and half of that 310 black, because that's the rest of the roof. The snow is just up on the edge. So I've been working on it a little bit at a time. And just this one house, you know. Of course, I thought I went someplace else with that. No, I just been working on that one house. So, yeah, and it's kind of big areas for me, you know. So I've got New Orleans that has all the confetti, and this one, it's just kind of normal, I guess. You know, I mean, it's got big areas to stitch on. So, yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'll be working on it, you know, throughout the fall, winter season. I need another drink of coffee. What can I say? It is so this morning, I'm telling you. Then I started this one that I got from One Day Savings on Monday. Hang on. And it's of this beautiful black and white cat. Oop, I folded it too far, my bad. But yeah, I just love how antique-y looking that looks. Just looks like 1920s, you know? So, I've been working down in the bottom. Oh, sure, put the paper away and then knead it. Of course. So, I've been working on this area right in here and trying my best. It's confetti too, to get that done. So, I've been working on these two little parts of that Afghan. And I really like it. It's just beautiful. I love all the colors. Again, you know, color gets me before everything else. So I'll just keep it out and keep working. Although I couldn't find New Orleans this morning. I couldn't figure out what happened to it. It fell off my basket. I have a basket that sits right beside me when I'm sitting on the couch here, you know, and working and watching YouTubes and Floss tubes and stuff. Yeah. So, yeah, it just went right over the edge and I couldn't find it. I'm like, how could it be gone? I just stitched on it like 2 days ago, you know. It got sucked into the black hole of Calcutta. So, then I worked on Louisa Cullimore by Hands Across the Sea. So, I've gotten that finished all the way across. So I'm working over here. I had to go back to this page to get the bottom parts of these things. Oh yeah, that was too much fun. Because the next page that goes up is like just kind of sitting, floating. You know, it doesn't show what's below it. I don't know why, but yeah, it was a bit odd. So I had to go back, and I got all the way over here to the 6, and then I'll do the 7, and then I'll have to get that page out again and just work all the edges, bottom edges of the next page. So that's been pretty easy. My eyes were just tired. Yeah. But I'm glad I did finish. I had a page finish. So I think there's only 6 more pages to do. So, yeah. So it'll be, there's 3 pages across. I still have to go back and do that stupid crown. But, you know, I figure I'll just wing it in there. Because, yeah. But it's coming along great. I love it. It's on 28 count wheat Lagana from Wetchlet or Zweigart. And I'm using 1169 Sulky for that. So that's my, okay, I just need to focus in, you know, instead of looking at so much confetti. Because, yeah, it was a confetti-riddled week. So hopefully this week, and that's all I worked on. I didn't have much time, say, Tuesday through Friday, I'm not through Friday, Tuesday through Thursday, because I had company, and then I didn't stitch too much while they were here. And then Friday, I just started right in, so there we are. So that's all I got for what I worked on, what I started. Trying to think if there's anything else on my list. I'm looking. But I will have more shorts. I'm going to try to do more things like comparisons and stitching. What do you call it? Oh, Lord, I can't even think of the word. You know, examples, you know, of how to stitch this or stitch that. How to stop and start your thread. You know, I don't know. It's all rambling around in my brain. And sooner or later I'll get it worked out, but yeah. So I don't know. I'm thinking. I guess I'm having extravaganza this week. It will start on Wednesday, and we'll go from there. We'll do there won't be a countdown, so it'll be a stitch with me for each of the 6 days. 5 days you'll get within 5 days you'll get your 10 numbers, just like we used to do it. I don't have another countdown. I could do the top 10 of my worst kits, you know, kits that I ditched, but nobody wants to see that. Well, no. Mm-mm. And I don't know where they're at, you know. Some things I just bury. I'm not physically out in the yard, but I put them in someplace where I don't have to look at it. Because something went wrong one way or another. Yeah, I just don't want to look at it, and I can't deal with it at the time. So, yeah, no, not happening. We're just going to have stitch with me's. You'll get 2 numbers a day, and then on Monday you'll put all 10 of the numbers in. There'll be a stitch with me for 6 days. Got it? Whew. And then you'll comment on the 6th day with your 10 numbers, and we'll see how it goes from there. Alright guys, I think that's about it. I know this is a quick and short floss tube, sorry. We'll try to do better next week, and we'll see what I worked on next week. So, do watch my video for tomorrow from One Day Saving. It's a real short video, but it will give you all instructions that you need to know. Okay? We will see you next time. Have a great day. Thank you for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.